Welcome to Wild. Wild, Wordsmyth's Illustrated Learner's Dictionary, is an interactive multimedia environment for learning about words and the world. Wild contains 4 main entry points providing different modes of exploration. These entry points are tabs located at the top of the page. The Picture Dictionary, designed with the youngest learners in mind, allows the exploration of a word visually and auditorily in Wild.
Aardvark.
The world is built on the concept of a picture dictionary, but functions as an interactive world, visually engaging and supported with audio. There are 2 learning environments, city and nature, where many items act as portals into subsettings, increasing vocabulary exposure and understanding. In collections, categories of words clustered together by topics and themes offer another mode of exploration. Each collection offers lists of subcategories and the opportunity to dig deeper into a subject. The book is based on a traditional dictionary with full entries for each word. The open book is formatted as a page with multiple entries. There are child-friendly definitions along with illustrations. And just like a book, the pages turn by clicking the lower page corners. The simplest and most direct route to a word is by using the search box on the left, typing in a word and clicking the magnifying glass. Wild is a one-stop destination for learning about words in the world. Go wild in your classroom today. Read, play, and explore.